There's a jacaranda tree in the distance. Why aren't my jacarandas that big and beautiful? There it is. Why aren't my jacarandas that big? Isn't it wonderful? Gorgeous. I should have planted more. Live and learn. I could have had jacarandas all around our property, couldn't I? I could have, if I'd played my cards right. Look at that. They're not quite so showy when they have our green leaves at the same time. Some years they have just all blue on its own, just flowers on its own. Other years they have green mixed with the blue, which isn't quite so dramatic. Aren't they lovely? Beautiful. Very drought resistant once established. Beautiful black branches. The branches look really black from here, don't they? They make quite a contrast to the purple. Let's look at those black branches. Aren't they nice? They look black from a distance. A bit like a beautiful drawing or painting. Lovely. Look at that. Isn't it wonderful? Gorgeous. Of course, jacarandas grow well in Sydney and Grafton. Grafton in northern New South Wales is famous for its Jacaranda Festival. And there's Pretoria in South Africa. Where else is famous for jacarandas? Look at that up in this canopy. A purple canopy. Lovely. So beautiful. Very big tree, that one. I did have one good jacaranda growing, but it got overtaken by privet, and I didn't keep an eye on it. In the end, the privets just took all the goodness for themselves, and the jacaranda died. So you've got to keep an eye out for privet. Well, that is the most beautiful jacaranda. It's like a painting. That could be a vase. I could be looking at a beautiful ceramic vase, couldn't I? With a glazed picture on it. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous. Wonderful. That's a piece of art, that is. If it were rendered in oils. You could render it in coloured pencils, couldn't you? Charcoal for the black. I think I'm in love with that tree. It's wonderful. That's a painting. Imagine a dinner plate with that glazed on it. Wouldn't it be lovely? Or imagine you're looking at a picture on your on your lounge room wall. Gorgeous.